In this video, Kiki Review will review a smartphone from the HTC brand, called HTC U23 Pro. The HTC U23 Pro smartphone is an Android smartphone with 5G network support. The HTC U23 Pro smartphone have 6.7 inches screen size, also OLED 120Hz touchscreen display type, also 1080 by 2400 pixels screen resolution, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus display protection. The HTC U23 Pro smartphone, using Android 13 version as operating system, with Qualcomm SM7450AB Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 as chipset, also octa-core up to 2.4 GHz CPU speed, and Adreno 644 as GPU system. The HTC U23 Pro smartphone have 8 GB RAM and 12 GB variants RAM, and also 256 GB internal storage. The HTC U23 Pro smartphone have quad rear main camera, 108 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels, 2 megapixels rear camera, also 32 megapixels selfie camera, with features dual LED flash, HDR, panorama features. The HTC U23 Pro smartphone have Li-ion 4600 mAh non-removable battery, also 30-watt wired fast charging, and wireless charging support for the price of this HTC U23 Pro smartphone, around just $455 to $500, and prices can change at any time. We Kiki Review thank you for watching this HTC U23 Pro smartphone video, and see you soon.